Check this out. It's the New Zealand yen, an exceptionally beautiful textbook trade. In today's video, we're going to look at exactly how we'd have traded it. Let's get to it. Hey there traders, welcome back. In this video, we look at how to make money trading the Nzdjpy, aka the New Zealand yen. We are using a simple strategy, as you know, published in our textbook, How to Make Money Trading Forex, My Trendline Breakout Strategy. It's a simple strategy that you can use each week on multiple currency pairs. This week, we're looking at the New Zealand yen. Take a look at the picture here. I mean, you can see it's just another textbook trade. Probably already you can spot what the trade opportunity is. What we're going to do, let's just look through the disclaimer, read through the disclaimer real quick, and then we'll put the lipstick on and see exactly how, per strategy, we would have traded this particular pair. Just a second. Okay, so let's read our disclaimer. Trading carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Before deciding to invest, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite. The possibility exists that you could sustain a loss of some or all of your initial investment, and therefore you should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. You should be aware of all the risks associated with foreign exchange trading and seek advice from an independent financial advisor if you have any doubts. Okay, guys, so here we are. We have applied the lipstick, at least some of it, and I'm going to work with you on this one, and we'll fill in the additional gaps. But notice what has happened here, okay? Market has gone uphill, up, okay? Reached the top. Remember this here? We call that a stop run on the previous day. And then it literally slammed down. We have seen this before. It's not a surprise. So let's literally just put on the little bits here, the additional bits of lipstick. Typically, what are we looking for? We're looking for pullback entry at the 50%, right? Okay. At this point today, on this setup, we didn't get that, okay? But we have other tools at our disposition, don't we? Textbook, entry number 2 here. Okay, if you've read the book, you know exactly what I mean. Textbook, isn't it? When we look at what we're trying to do and what we're trying to achieve and where we're going here, right? We got our target one, right? We got our target 2. Now here's the thing, as I put these things down, you're going to notice there's going to be about 6 things on here, okay? 6 things. And that's what we do every time. There's 6 elements of the trade, okay? It's really that simple. You got the stop loss 1, pullback entry 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And of course, the fib 6, okay? If you want to add a trend line, we'll call it something. But basically 6 things, okay? This was the week of July 20th through 24th. We can just see what the market did. It went up, and we know when it goes up, it has to come down. That's all there is to it. Here's the denotion of the beginning of the week. Here's the denotion of the end of the week. It fell on a Thursday. I've often said Tuesday and Thursday are interesting days. Look at Monday. I don't really trade on a Monday. Well, it's not much of, right? I don't really trade on a Friday. That would just let that run, let that bad boy run. Textbook trade, it's in the book. And basically, we continually do these reviews so that anyone that has purchased the book can, of course, get more familiar with the strategy. And those of you that have not yet purchased the book, well, hopefully you guys will have a desire to purchase the book. So I hope you like this setup here that we've seen. If you'd like to learn the strategy to make money trading the Forex markets, you can obtain a copy of our textbook by clicking the link in the description below. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button so you'll be notified when we publish more videos. This will turbocharge your opportunities to make money from trading in the Forex market. But also, and quite importantly, if you have a favorite currency pair that you'd like us to cover, please comment below. And what we can do is review that pair when we see an opportunity setting up in the future. I want to thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing you again on the next video. Bye-bye.